Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Royal Thai Consulate in Sapporo, Japan. And the address is Royal Thai Consulate General, care of Katsuki Oil Company, Ltd., 16 Nishi 3, Kita 10, Kita-ku, Sapporo-shi, Hokkaido 001-0010, Japan. Telephone number is +81 11 700 3355. So we make these videos presumptively for folks who are seeking Thai visas or to lodge applications for Thai visas at the various Thai embassies and consulates abroad. The thing to understand is that different Thai embassies process things differently. So things may work very differently from country to country with respect to the processing of Thai visa cases. Meanwhile, even within a country, different consulates may do things differently, and they may fundamentally make different sort of administrative decisions with respect to how they process given cases. So what may work in one consulate may not work the same way in another consulate. Another thing to keep in mind is different consulates and different embassies have different levels of consular jurisdiction with respect to the categories of visas they can issue, and in some cases the length or duration of the visa that they can issue. So they may be only limited to being able to issue single entry visas. Some embassies or consulates may be able to issue multiple entry type of visas. And some consulates may be able to issue certain categories of visas while some consulates cannot do that. Another thing to understand and keep in mind is that while they process differently, it may be overwhelming for some folks to deal with the overall processing of these cases, as the information can be somewhat vague, or you can hit some information overload sometimes when researching these topics on the internet. For those who feel overwhelmed, it may be a good idea to go ahead and contact a legal professional in order to gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed in applying for a visa to the Kingdom of Thailand.